Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making pita bread. In my bowl I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of fast action yeast, with 300 millilitres of water. I'm going to leave it to sit for 5 minutes. I'm now going to add a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of olive oil, and 500 grams of flour. I have lightly floured my surface. I'm now going to knead my dough until it becomes soft, smooth and elasticated. I'm now going to place it back in my bowl and cover with a tea towel and leave it for 1 hour until it doubles in size. My dough has doubled in size. I'm now going to break it into 8 little balls. I'm now going to flatten my balls using the palms of my hand. I'm now going to roll my discs into oval shapes. I have preheated my oven to the highest setting that I have on. I have also left a baking tray in the oven to warm up to the same temperature as the oven. I'm now going to carefully remove it from the oven and place it on the table. I'm now going to dust my tray with flour . And I'm going to add my pita breads onto the tray and place them in the oven for 4 to 5 minutes. Once they are cooked, I'm going to then place them into a tea towel and cover them so they stay soft and warm. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.